Now let's use this information where we know that the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees to be able to solve some problems. In particular, we want to be able to solve for an unknown angle in a triangle. So often we will be given a triangle which has got two angles that we know. In this case, we've got 60 degrees and 95 degrees. And then the third angle we don't know. And in this case, it's called A. So what we want to do, the question says, find the value of A in these triangles, okay? So what I know here is, I know that 60 degrees plus 95 degrees plus A degrees is going to give me 180 degrees, okay? That's the first piece of information that I know. So I need to use this information to be able to work out what is A. So the first thing I can do here is I can add 60 and 95, and we're going to get 155 degrees. Plus A degrees is going to give me 180 degrees. So now I need to think about, what do I add to 155 degrees to make 180 degrees? Okay, in this particular case, we're going to add 25 degrees. So we add 5, we get to 160, add another 20, we get to 180. That means that A must be 25 degrees. The other way we can look at this is if we think about 180 degrees and we take away 155 degrees, again we're finding the difference between 180 and 155. So this is going to give me A. So now I can see that 180 take away 155 is going to give me 25 degrees, which means that A is 25 degrees in this question. In this one here, we've got a scalene triangle. We know it's a scalene triangle because we've got two sides the same length, and we've got, because we've got these two sides the same length and one side that's different, that means that we've got a scalene triangle. We've been told that this angle is 70 degrees. Because of what we know about a scalene triangle, if this angle is 70 degrees, this angle is also 70 degrees. So if this angle is 70 and this angle is 70 and we're being asked to find A, means we can say that 70 degrees plus 70 degrees plus A degrees is going to equal 180 degrees. So 70 plus 70 is 140 degrees, plus A degrees is going to give me 180 degrees. So now I need to think about, what do I add to 140 to get to 80? I add 40, so I know that A is going to be 40 degrees, but with the way that we can write it is 180 degrees take away 140 degrees equals A. So then we can see that A degrees equals 40 degrees. And that's our answer. So now we should be able, we can check to see if we're correct by, if we put 40 degrees in there, we should find that 70 degrees plus 70 degrees plus 40 degrees, it should add up to 180. So let's have a think. 70 plus 70 is 140, plus 40 gives me 180 degrees. Over here we could have checked by looking at making this one be 25 degrees. Then we can see we've got 60 degrees plus 95 degrees plus 25 degrees. We want to know what the answer to that is. Now, one way to do this, yes, you could get a calculator, but let's think about, what do I need to make this into 100? I need 5. So I'm going to take the 5 from here and put it here. So then I end up with 60 plus 100 plus 20. So then I've got 160 plus 20. Then I've got 180 degrees. Okay, so that's two examples of the types of questions that you will be asked in this exercise that you're about to do. Thank you.